Welcome to the FCRXG1 world.
Let's start things off with a summary showing how to operate the FCRXG1. To take your X-ray images, you must use a cassette. Remove the cassette from the X-ray room and take it to the FCRXG1. Next, you'll use the full-function console. Enter the study number and patient information. Now comes selection of the exposure menu. Insert the cassette into the FCRXG1 and it will begin to read the image automatically. The image read by the XG1 will be displayed on the monitor in real time. Adjustments assuring the highest quality can be made, including image rotation and gradation, in addition to printout, by clicking a mouse or more simply by touching the touchscreen display. Of course, don't forget to remove the cassette at the end. Now let's see how to take X-rays in detail using a routine example. As we've seen, you must use a cassette. And this is how it goes. First we do the head. Then we do the chest. Take your cassette to the FCRXG1, which you can see right here. Has your cassette already been registered? If you have not registered your cassette yet, click on No. If you have registered the patient information, click on 1. When you have made all your choices, click on 2, which ends this step. Enter the study number, the patient's name, the ID number, patient's gender, and the date of birth into the application software. You can also input the department requesting the service and the name of the technician in charge. After you've completed entering all this initial data, touch the Exposure menu button. Now let's look at the Exposure menu. Go to the Head menu and select Skull General. Next, go to the Chest menu and select Chest General to take your second X-ray. After verifying your choices, select the OK button lower right. The screen will change for the start of the study. Touch Start Study. In this case, Skull General, your first X-ray region, should be highlighted. Confirm your selection. And if you've got it right, proceed to the next session. Insert the cassette with your X-ray of the head. Be sure to insert the cassette gently. Line it up straight with the guide on the right. Once the XG1 begins reading, you'll see the image displayed on the monitor in real time. Check the image carefully for anomalies. Remove the first cassette. When the ready lamp lights up, then insert the second cassette. As before, slide the cassette in gently, lining it up straight with the guide on the right. The chest image being displayed. The new FCR XG1 has been designed to read multiple images continuously in one study. If you wish to print the image at this stage, just touch the Exit button. Now our X-ray of the head is being printed. This is our image of the chest. The new FCR XG1 is a major step forward in the state of the imaging art. Intelligent practical design. Optimum performance and quality. Nobody knows more about the needs of modern medical imaging than Fujifilm. And Fujifilm's new FCR XG1 is proof. The FCR XG1, the solution.
Imaging and information. Produced by Fujifilm.